My Bambu Lab A1 literally decided to burn out. It was only about 6 months old. A couple of days before the smoke came out of the Y-axis motor, I noticed a weird smell. I thought it was because of the new ESON filament. I was a bit worried, but the printer wasn't showing any errors and kept printing like normal. I switched back to Bambu Lab filament, but the smell didn't go away. Then suddenly, the print stopped and smoke started coming out of the printer. I was honestly really scared. I thought it might catch fire, so I wasn't even thinking about filming at that moment. I contacted support and they sent me some instructions. I was really nervous to turn the printer on again, but I didn't have much choice. And in the end, it just wouldn't turn on at all. Has anyone experienced something like this? What could have caused it? Thanks for any advice.